Why institutional investors are pouring millions into Bitcoin. Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by the Daily Hodl staff and brought to you by the BitBlockBoom Bitcoin Conference that's coming to Dallas, Texas. Grayscale is the world's largest digital currency asset manager, and they say institutions are now looking to Bitcoin as a potential hedge against global economic instability. On a new episode of the CoinScrums Market Podcast, Grayscale's Director of Investor Relations and Business Development reveals that average weekly investment in the firm's crypto trusts have increased more than 800% this year, and states that COVID-19 has played a significant role in boosting the Bitcoin narrative, and continued on that COVID-19 and policy implications have set the stage for Bitcoin to be seen as a store of value asset. Institutional investors are taking active long positions in digital assets through their product because they're looking for an asset that's scarce and can be used as an inflation hedge in a world where we're presented with unprecedented monetary stimulus. Now, in the first quarter of this year alone, Grayscale raised $500 million across all of its products. Now, investors poured $390 million into the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and then another $110 million into the Grayscale Ethereum Trust. Now, originally, individuals were drawn to Grayscale's products to get exposure through tax-advantaged retirement accounts. But the firm says 90% of fund inflows are now through institutional investors, and that traditional hedge funds represent the majority of Grayscale's institutional investors. Grayscale's Director of Investor Relations and Business Development, Rahani Sharif Askari, says 44% of fund inflows came from multi-strategy funds, and a significant portion also came from long and short equity funds. Now, there's one thing I know for sure, and that is that Grayscale is buying a lot of Bitcoin. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, as always. And this episode is brought to you by BitBlockBoom. The Great Bitcoin Conference is coming to Dallas, Texas in August. And I say Bitcoin Conference because Bitcoin is all we talk about at BitBlockBoom. We don't talk about altcoins or blockchain, just Bitcoin. So if you're interested in Bitcoin, take a look at bitblockboom.com. I hope I get to meet you in person at BitBlockBoom in Dallas. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Bitcoin show. This is a BitBlockBoom.com production.